So I welcome all of you. A very good afternoon to all of you, all the dignitaries present here, all my colleagues and dear participants. So we are here with the last session of this FDP, and I'm sure that, or rather, I expect that you must have learned and had some takeaways from this 5 days FTP, and that is the basic motive and objective behind conducting any such kind of events. So we are here for this valedictory session. So before going ahead for the feedback and our principal sir's address, just quickly I would like to show you something. Okay, just a few common instructions. We'll have a online test which will be conducted after this particular valedictory session, which is of 25 questions having equal marks. Test duration will be, will keep the link active from 3:30 to 7 p.m. Within that time, any time whenever you are convenient, you can attempt the quiz. Link for the test and feedback will be shared through email and through our WhatsApp group. Session material has already been shared. Some of the session experts have not yet shared, and some of them might not share. So I apologize for that. But we have the video recordings of all of them. I have already shared the links. So criteria for the award of certificate is attendance should be more than 80%. Score in the quiz which will be conducting should be more than 60%, and you will have to submit the feedback today. Okay, so feedback tab will be activated in your corresponding Atal portals. So after submission of that feedback, after once we upload your attendance and test marks, then you will be in a position to download the certificate from your Atal portal itself. Okay, anyways, we'll be if you are having any issues, we can.
Can you repeat the process? I actually just missed that instructions.
Okay, that's what I was telling. I will repeat all this process and steps later on. Okay.
Or you can send it in email, WhatsApp.
Yes, yes, I can surely share. Yeah. We'll quickly go through. Recently, we have received. There is an echo. Yes. Recently, we have received. All of you must have also received, if you are in the mailing list of AICT, that the Atal FDPs, which I mentioned in the inauguration, that there are almost 450 plus Atal FDPs which are being conducted in this 3 or 4 months span, and we are very happy as to be a part of this particular venture or of Atal FDPs. So AICT has congratulated all the heads of institutions, coordinators, all the resource person, all the officials associated with this process, and even all the participants who are the part of all these FDPs. So indirectly, all of us are part of that World Book record. So this is the recognition letter which AICT has received, and they have very happily shared to all of us. So this was a quick thing which I wanted to share with all of you. Now we'll quickly go to the participants feedback. So if you are if you would like to give your feedback, please raise your hand, and then I will attend that. I will take up your name, and then you can take up the you can go ahead with your feedback. Also, I would request you to, if possible, turn on your camera while giving your feedback. So I will just stop presenting, and then we can continue with the feedback. Any one of you? Just let me see. Karya
Yes,
sir.
Dr. Amol. Yeah, Dr. Amol, thank you very much for the wonderful sessions which you have organized. Dr. Amol and his team, I must congratulate and thanks for all the wonderful sessions, specifically the sessions conducted by the doctors from eminent hospitals like Hinduja, Tata Memorial. I'm very much sure we had a great talks and takeaways from those sessions, specifically the use of AI and signal processing in their day-to-day practice, how they really do it, and the use of it. It was really a great venture. Specifically, the talk of the day, today's session, Sahaj Yoga, was really a takeaway, giving breathtaking away. So hearty
Correct.
congratulations to you, and I wish you the same for conducting such FTPs in future also as well.
Thank you.
Thank you for the wonderful sessions. Yeah.
Prem Goel, sir.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, you are audible.
At the outset, I want to congratulate Dr. Deshpande and his team for conducting an excellent FDP. So it was really, by our standards, it was very good FDP. The choice of speakers was very good. Then there were people from medical as well as engineering. There was a good mix-up. The quality of talks was very good. And further up, there were no hiccups in the program. Whatever program you had scheduled, except one, there was no cancellation. Everything went smoothly. And there also you found a very good substitute. So as such, that was very good. But my only comment was that since the title was bioengineering, the mechanical part has been completely neglected. I can understand that you are from EXTC, so naturally mechanical is not of interest to you. But looking at the title of that, I was expecting some talks from mechanical also, mechanical engineering. Because all the robots, use of robots were discussed, but nothing about the actual manufacturing of the robots. So that is my comment. But otherwise, it was a very good FTP, and I wish you all the best in the future also.
Thank you. I would like to convey to all that Prem Goel ji has actively participated in this FDP. Thank you very much, sir. Anju Gupta. Anju Gupta. Okay, meanwhile, Abhishek Mishra. I could see your hand raised. Yes, Abhishek Mishra.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Respected sir, and all the dignitaries on the board. I'm Abhishek Mishra, Ramnarayan Ruya College. Right now, just completed my MSc Botany. It's been 1 year. Since when this course came, I was searching out for a job opportunity, and at that time I got a job opportunity from Inti Labs. So in the top sections, when I was searching the job, there was something called as biosimilars, and your FDP came into structure. So my idea was to join and know about what biosimilar technologies are. Since I'm from a very different background, botany, not particularly to engineering background, this was a very real and new experience for me. And talking about all the takeaways, I would like to first of all thank you everyone, the whole team of yours, who has taken so much of effort to conduct this program, because it takes a lot to conduct a 5 days program, and that too 4 to 7 hours of the course structure. So my takeaway are from various various PPTs which I and professionals. First one is of electroencephalogram. Now this idea of electroencephalogram, which I can implement in my plant sciences study. So this was the one structure which I got. Second was the tomography, or which sir gave from Forge. Just a minute, sir. Just a minute. Am I audible?
Yes. You're audible.
Okay. So this one, Bharat Forge Limited, in that he gave me an idea of detecting all these metallic tools, metallic guns, or etc. Whatever objects which are used in the daily for use for you can say these purposes for like knives and guns and etc. Why can't we implement this technology in the soldier's boot to detect mines? which is very important technology. Now, this idea came from this radio tomography. So one of the takeaways from this is this idea, as in we are taught in the genetics that life begets life. For me, idea beget life. Idea beget idea. So from this idea, I got another idea. So one of the perspective is this. Second thing is while this it was a very new concept of data analysis and data science in Ayurveda. Since I come from botany department and we are all into the plant studies, I never knew about implementing data science into plant biology, or you can say applied science of plants, since Ayurveda is one of the structures. So this was something, a very great takeaway for me. Thank you very much to one and all who all are present. I may be the youngest to talk on this platform. You all are well experienced, and I have no experience right now, but it was two good sessions for me.
Okay, Abhishek, unmute yourself. Sorry, Abhishek. Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Thank you.
Ah.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much for
Thank you,
this
thank you.
course structure. And I wish you all a further great wellness. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, thank you. We are happy that participants like you are also getting benefited. Okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
Anju Gupta, if you are there, then you can go ahead, or Aisha Hakim.
Yes, so hello everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I would just like to quickly just say about the FDP. It was a very nice experience, all 5 days, and we had various speakers, and I think there was something for everyone. Despite all of us being from different backgrounds, I think there was something for each one of us. Given each one of our interests and our field of research. So that was one thing, and the speakers were very well chosen. I think they were all experts and renowned people, and even their work was quality work and commendable work. And the organization team, I think the organizing committee, I know all of you all and I've worked with you all. So I think the work was commendable. I think if anyone of us had any question, you guys all were there on WhatsApp or on the question Q&A chat and everything. So it was overall a very nice experience and a smooth experience, I would say. So yeah, that's all.
Okay. Thank you very much. S. Sriram.
Yes, sir. Thank you. I hope I am audible and visible.
Yes. Please go ahead.
Sir, actually, most of our previous people who gave the feedback gave their inputs on the topics and the speakers. I would like to mention one particular thing. I would give credit to the organizing team. I have attended so many workshops and seminars, both online and offline as well. But I have rarely come across such a brilliant team who have actually been there for even a very small doubt which is put either in the WhatsApp group or in the chat box. It was dutifully answered with much care, and so it was a brilliant team effort from Amol sir and his team. I would like to congratulate, and it was very scintillating experience for me with the Sardar Patel Institute of Technology. I would give congratulations to them and over to other people to give their other feedback. Thank you very much, sir. I was very happy to be a part of this FDP. Thank you. Best of luck for the future work. Thank you.
Great. Thank you. Vivek, sir?
Am I audible, sir?
Yes. Please go ahead.
Yeah. खरंच खूप छान होतं. And we have experienced a very good journey of biomedical engineering during this 5-day course. And actually, I am from Ramdev Baba College of Engineering, Nagpur. And from my department, actually, we are having all 4 people are there.
Okay.
Myself is there, Dipal Shilke madam is there, Anju Gupta madam is there, and again Jitendra Jhalke sir.
Okay.
So these are all four faculties we are all four faculties have joined this particular course.
Thank you.
Actually, we are having a lot of interest. It is a very interdisciplinary course,
Correct.
and it has lot of. It is actually serving the mankind, which is in trouble. That is what something medical field, and you have very nicely selected the experts from the research, from industries, pharmaceuticals, and all others domain. Not only the doctors, not only the industry peoples, the researchers, and the dimensions that you have selected. It's a fantastic, sir, and it's really a successful STTP. That I will say. It's very nice, sir. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you very much. Okay. Anyone else?
Sir, you all stood by your name. Actually, Sardar Patel College of Engineering. Since even I tried many times to get into Sardar Patel Engineering College. It was year 2010 and 2011 when I wanted to crack the AIEEE and then get into it. But unfortunately, due to some reasons, I was not able to. And I came into this field. But the interest of engineering in Mumbai comes from two colleges which are known for their best work. First of all is the VJTI College of Autonomy, and in the Mumbai University out of autonomy was Sardar Patel College. And you all stood by your standards, sir. No, there was no, you can say, flaw in your execution. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. This is
Thank you,
meaningful.
Shilpa from FET.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. I would first like to thank you for selecting such renowned and very knowledgeable speakers, experts, and definitely it was really a very great effort to include the hands-on sessions as well. And not only that, really the session on Ayurveda and its data science, that session I liked a lot. It gave a lot of ideas, and you have also tried to integrate the industry personnel, which is really, really, I would say, commendable. Though I am from biotechnology background, so I could not understand some of the sessions because they were more about electronics and all. So, but overall, it has been a really enriching experience. Thank you, sir, for this.
Thank you very much. Ibrahim Patel. Ibrahim Patel, are you there?
I will open my.
Yes,
sir. Good afternoon, and all.
Yeah.
Myself, Dr. Ibrahim Patel. I am from Professor B.V. Raju Institute of Technology in Hyderabad, and I went all the sessions. It is very excellent regarding especially in biomedical, because I am also my PG has been completed in biomedical and PhD, and my BTech is in the interdiscipline. But anyway, it is very excellent, sir. All the sessions are very informative, and I am thankful all the resource person as well as this the Deshpande sir and others. Okay, thank you, sir, once again.
Thank you.
Have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Vimlesh.
Hello, can I audible?
you are on. Please go ahead.
Okay. First of all, good afternoon to all, and many congratulations to the organizer to organize this FTP on this wonderful topic. And for me, it's a wonderful journey. I learned a lot from this. Especially, I learned about the biomedical engineering. Being an electronics engineer, I didn't know this much about the applications of the electronics in the field of electronics in the biomedical engineering. And once again, I want to congratulate to the team, especially like if my special mention thank to the Amol sir, because he is always with whenever we have any kind of issues and we send a message to him and he reply very quickly. And for me, I want to be be part of the FDPs if organized by the
Yes, yes. I think your voice is breaking. Hello. Hello. Okay. Maybe one more last we can. If anyone else is there.
So there are few in the chat
Hello.
box.
Chat box. Okay. Yeah.
May I speak something?
Please go ahead.
Yes, myself, Dr. Pankaj Kumar Singh from IIT BHU.
Okay, great.
As concerned to your such a wonderful talk in this program, like AICT Training and Learning Academy, Atal. That is, this was my first program. And Atal is already and this managing lots of program. I've selected this program as it is having interest in biomedical, as I am concerned with the biochemical engineering. So this was interesting, and from 23rd to till now, I have attended almost all classes. One thing I found that there is the link of the machine learning and the concerned with the biology that I was interested, and I got good information on that. Even in the robotics also, whatever I have got there, that is related to the computer science. This thing I think get good knowledge. And next, another thing that I found, that is the hands-on training that you have managed, that was nice. Some difficulty I found in attending that thing and in downloading my program and understanding. But still, I have got some information about that. And at last, I want to say that in concern with all the PPTs that you have shared, I mean, almost all the PPTs, I have seen that thing, and I got a good information in reading that also, in addition to the video recording that you have sent. That I thank you for that. And at last, I say thanks a lot to all the organizers and all the team members who have organized such a beautiful program. And please keep it up, and must inform if in future, if you are organizing such programs, maybe not related to Atal, maybe in other schemes also. So please remind us also that we should add with your program. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much, sir. I think let's go ahead with our schedule. Okay, is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. So after this spontaneous feedbacks from the participants, I would really thank all of you. And rather, the most important part is that most of you are having most of the takeaways. So rather, we feel satisfied after listening that you are having some or the other takeaways. So we feel that in some or the other way, the objective and the motive is getting satisfied. So with this feedback section, I would like to welcome our Honorable Principal, Dr. B.N. Chaudhary, to address all of us.
Thank you, Amol, for this wonderful conduction of this FDP. I have carefully listened to all feedbacks, and I really appreciate your efforts. You and your team has done a splendid job, splendid work. In inauguration, I put my views. This seats on crossroads of several technologies, these particular biomedical engineering systems, and that necessitates that we open up open-mindedly. We design our curriculum. We all know country has accepted national education policy, and it has envisaged that the silos of different domains we will be broken, and multi-domain education will be imparted by the most of the institution. Time has come, as we are witnessing, technologies are forcing us to think differently and come out from our traditional and conventional approach in curriculum design and imparting the education, and give enough opportunities to present learners to have multidisciplinary and cross-disciplinary flavors. Time has come. We introduce the biology-related courses in engineering, and maybe perhaps signal processing or signal science system-related courses or statistic courses in medical education. It is unfortunate at present situation from last 4 or 5 decades we have witnessed those who wish to go for medical or medical careers, and then people are asked to drop the mathematics, and those who wish to go for engineering, they are asked to drop the biology in our junior college or higher secondary level. But perhaps I'm sure in few years people will go back to the old school of thoughts where people had learned. I remember people who of those generation of 60s and 70s when all subjects were learned by in 11th and 12th. Perhaps that is the need of an hour. We have introduced at Sardar Patel Institute of Technology, we have introduced biology, 2 courses of biology in engineering curriculum, one at first year level and one at third and final year level. We are also planning to start a minor course in biological sciences for the aspirants, and I'm sure there will be takers for such initiatives. Earlier to do SPIT, I was at College of Engineering, Pune, and we were guided by none other than F.C. Kohli. Unfortunately, we lost him yesterday. Professor Dr. F.C. Kohli, known as the father of IT for India, we were fortunate that we got his mentorship and his guidance. He was a chairman of our board of governors. It was his vision that on his vision we started biology at College of Engineering, Pune, way back in 2008. So biology was introduced as a compulsory subject to all engineering programs way back in 2007. We were first in the country to aggressively go for this decision. Of course, that was the vision of my ex-chairman. Today, country has lost that great visionary and father of information technology for this country. He was MIT alumnus, and he used to visit MIT quite often. And on his suggestion, we started that, and we have now at College of Engineering, Pune, they have now a biology department. It is gearing up, and it is giving a platform for multidisciplinary research. In Mumbai, we are trying to have close associations with few hospitals and medical schools, so that some interdisciplinary work, interdisciplinary research can start or can be our student can be introduced to such interdisciplinary courses. these interdisciplinary boundaries are always the areas of happenings. If you look at any area, any domain, I mean, happening is there on the cross-disciplinary and intersecting areas. Maximum research takes place in the intersecting areas, and that's why those who wish to have a noticeable research outputs or professional outputs, perhaps these are the areas one should look at. I had gone through the different speakers, and very wonderful topics were selected, and I am sure you must have enjoyed this. The FDP is just trigger the learning. I mean, I'm sure many of you will go back and start, and you will work further and learn further in your interest of areas. I wish you all the best. We are landing in a new normal for education. I'm sure education will not go back to the pre-March 20 scenario. It will be a different education blended with the online learning and all, and perhaps these FDPs are giving us strength. What is the journey ahead, and this lifelong learning and learning to learn are going to be the key mantras for onward journeys. I wish you all the best. I congratulate for realizing this and taking away time in spite of your busy schedule. Immediately after Diwali, you have invested the time in your learning. Let us keep this spirit on. Let we all grow in days to come. All the best to you, and thank you once again.
Thank you very much, sir. Agree with your concepts and the thought process regarding the interdisciplinary fields and the need of the fields, and also thank you for introducing to all the participants about some of the initiatives which are being taken up under your tenure. So I would like to go ahead with the vote of thanks as a coordinator of this FDP, and generally while writing the thesis, it is said that the acknowledgement section in the thesis is the that particular section where you are free to write anything what you personally feel. So similarly, this vote of thanks section, I am taking it very personally, and I would like to express my feelings about this FDP. So firstly, I would like to thank, I have written it down and I am reading because I do not want to miss anyone. So firstly, I would like to thank the AICT officials, especially Dr. Sonia and Dr. Garg, who are directors and taking this Atal initiative ahead. So for approving our FDP and their constant support. I would express deep gratitude to our principal sir for encouraging and helping us towards the execution of this particular FDP. Thanks to Dr. Y.S. Rao and Dr. Rina Sonkusre of our department for extending the help. My words fall short to express the feeling towards the organizing team, Professor Milind Parai, Professor Dayanand Ambawade, Professor Sneha Vike, and Mr. Srikant Goswami. So I express my sincere thanks to all of them for taking pains to execute the plan. We had several deliberate meetings, etc., and always being with me in every step in this journey. Feelings of respect and thankfulness towards the pillar of this particular event. I would say pillars of this particular event, the resource person. So starting from our chief guest, Dr. Alka Sharma, who had accepted the invitation and she was with us for the inauguration, and her talk was also equally crucial and important in this particular FDP. And other resource person, as just enlisted on this particular slide, who has agreed to conduct the sessions. Rather, I would like to share that they were very happy to get involved in this particular FDP and share their experiences. So special thanks to Dr. Samek Mulkutkar in this list, who because of whom I could connect the other 3 doctors of Hinduja and Memorial, Tata Memorial Center. So similarly, I would like to specially thank 2 of my friends, Ninad Shende and Dr. Mayur Maibhate, who are my friends personally. So they had helped me to connect to Dr. Sheila Aditya Mitra and Dr. Abhijit Pednekar from Abbott. So going ahead, I would like to thank all the deans, HODs, all the dignitaries present here, and all my colleagues for their continuous support. Then I would like to convey that I had troubled a lot by having phone calls and messages to some of the coordinators of FDP and STTP, Dr. Kiran Bhole, Dr. Surendra Rathod, and Dr. Milind Khanapurkar. I would continuously take their suggestions and inputs towards the execution of such kind of event. So I'd like to thank them for their valuable inputs. Sincere thanks to the heart of this FDP, that is you all, the participants, for showing interest in our FDP and joining with us in all the sessions and actively participating. I personally know many of them in the participants, and would really love to know the other participants too. Regarding just a comparison of such an online event and the event where we physically gather. So such events are the opportunity, means the offline event rather is the opportunity to interact with all the people who have gathered for the event particularly, and those people are across the country, those people are across different domains, across different professions, different age groups. So rather I would have been more happy if this would have been a physical event, online event, so that I could get to know you all the participants. So it is a true fact that such online events cannot replace the offline events. So I would surely miss that chance of physical interaction during tea breaks, lunch breaks, and so on. So I would surely miss that chance. I'm sure you all also agree to this particular point. I would be happy to be in touch with all of you in future, and kindly accept my apologies if we could not satisfy any of your expectations. So I would like to personally thank all the participants, and finally I would like to thank the Almighty God and all my family members. So with this note, I would like to thank one and all present here, and again, as I have told you, as a part of if would have been gathered physically, we would have gone ahead for a wonderful group photo. But again, let us take the advantage of this technological advancement, and we can have an online group photo. So the screen is shared with all of you. I would request we can go means few number of participants. So I would request the participants who are having admit numbers from 1 to 40 to turn on their camera. As what I could identify the loophole in this Google Meet, we cannot go beyond 40 or 50. So that's why. And even since the screen is shared to you, you can also have the screenshot along with you. So admit numbers
Amol,
1 to 40.
Amol sir, one suggestion.
Sir.
You can put in the grid view and
yes, I'm doing that. I'm doing that. But then what I could identify in my earlier session, that we cannot go beyond 40.
Yeah, very true, very true. Even you can go for 2020 also, that will be okay.
Correct.
Yeah.
Admit number 1 to 40. Okay, most of them have turned on their cameras. I would request principal sir also and our organizing team to turn on their camera also.
Sir, please stop.
I think, yeah, I should stop sharing. I will share these screenshots to all of you. Is it okay? We can have a good online photograph.
Okay, sir.
I will share the photos to all of you, these screenshots.
I have a small thing to say. Hello.
Yes.
Amol Deshpande. We are living in coastal Andhra Pradesh, and we are having a very bad weather, and absolutely our signals are not there, and
Correct.
trouble. Though we are very much interested to listen to this talk, but there's a lot of signaling problem, networking problem. So I try to listen. I try to switch on every time, and we don't have a good weather. And
It's okay, sir. You can view the video recordings.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Amol. So I just wanted to tell you because we have a very bad weather because we are
Correct. Yeah, we understand. So I will take the screenshots. Arya sir, you are not visible. Okay. I think we are missing Ambade sir here. He's busy in some exams.
Amol, go for more. Change the layout and go for more photos.
Actually, what I thought that we can accommodate all of them, but then Google Meet has that limitation of accommodating only 49.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I have taken the first screenshot. So I request participants who are having admit number from 40 to 80, 41 to 80, to turn on their cameras. Others can please turn off their cameras. I will be happy to share all the screenshots to all of you. Admit number 41 to 80. Okay, I'm taking the screenshots. We would have loved to have a group photo in our beautiful
Entrance.
premise which we have
Entrance.
in Mumbai. Yeah.
Amol sir, you have spoken my heart words basically. I was just about to say that only.
All participants, as and when the COVID situation comes back to normal and you visit Mumbai, please do visit SPIT. We have a nice campus at Bhavans, and it's a good campus at Andheri. So anytime you are most welcome. Please do visit us.
Okay, thank you all of you. I would request the next 40 participants to turn on their camera. 81 to 120. Okay. Milind sir, you are not visible. Milind sir.
For a few
Is it
seconds, sir,
visible
I
now?
went to yeah. Sir, you're taking group photograph. A few seconds, I went back to the flashback memory that we are standing in front of the entrance quadrangle.
Correct.
Yes.
That's what I mentioned. It would have been a very pleasant feeling to have a group photo physically.
Karya sir, that is our favorite place to take photographs.
Yeah. I was just wondering that we are standing over there
Yeah.
only, and we are having photograph with Chaudhary sir. I was just wondering that only.
Yes. Sir, that day will also come soon, I hope.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, all of you. I would request to turn off your camera and the next.
Thank you.
From
I will say something over
121
here.
onwards. Yes, please go ahead. Meanwhile, the numbers from 121 can turn on the camera. Yeah, please go ahead.
Thank you very much for such a good workshop. I like to tell you all that we are having our upcoming conference. So surely all you can gather in SPIT. I have posted that banner in our WhatsApp group. Please do visit the website. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
All of you are requested and encouraged to submit their research works specifically to be considered for peer review process.
Just the last screenshot I will take. And then okay, thank you very much. I will share this screenshots to all of you through mail.
Thank you, Amol.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all, dear participant. Thanks for participating.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Pankaj, thank you.
Okay, so we'll come back to the instructions slide. Okay, so regarding the instructions now, so we'll be sharing two things. One is the feedback form and another is the quiz, okay, through Google Forms. So the feedback form which we are sharing is exclusively for us, for our records. Okay, it will not be for the Atal. Okay, Atal has its own feedback system. So you will have to log in into your portal with your credentials and you'll have to submit the feedback for this FDP through the Atal portal. In the left panel, you can see different options like attendance, feedback, and all those things. So under that, you can go in the feedback section and submit the feedback. So this is one of the important mandatory steps so that your e-certificate will be available to you. The second mandatory step is that you will have to attempt the quiz, and the passing criteria is that the test mark should be more than 60%. So we'll be sharing a link of Google form wherein you can click on the Google form and you can start your attempt of the quiz. So the time duration for which will be keep the link active is, let's say, from 3:30 onwards. Now it is okay, 3:15. So from 3:30 onwards to 7 p.m. we'll keep this link active, and within this span you can take up some time and attempt this quiz. Actually, since there are 25 questions, so that way 50 minutes are allotted, but then what I personally feel is that you can attempt it within 20 to 30 minutes. So you'll have to spare that much time to attempt this particular quiz. So second mandatory point is the quiz, okay, and the test marks, that is the marks of the quiz. So first is you have to submit the attendance in the Atal portal. You have to attempt the quiz and get 60% marks, and we are working on your attendance. We are considering all your requests which you have reverted back on the emails. So we are working on that, and then we'll be uploading your attendance on the portal, okay, from our side. So once this feedback, test, and attendance, once these three things are there for each one of you on the Atal database, on the Atal servers, then the e-certificate will be available in your portal itself. Now let me convey to you that it may happen that the link to upload the attendance may not be active by today itself. So please consider that as soon as the link is active, we'll upload your attendance soon. Okay. So sometimes what I have found out from different Atal coordinators, that sometimes the link to upload your attendance from the coordinator's portal, sometimes it becomes active on the next day. So in that case, we will be in a position to upload your attendance tomorrow. Okay. And once all these things are done, the e-certificate will be available in your Atal portal itself. Okay. And I request personally to fill our feedback form also, which is exclusively for us. So if you are having any questions, please go ahead.
Now this Atal where we have to put the feedback, can you send that link on WhatsApp?
Okay, rather just a minute. I would share the screen. Just a minute. My screen is visible, no?
Yes, sir.
So I would actually, I had also attended one of the Atal FDP. So I will log in to that portal as a participant, and I will show you now. So this is the link. If you observe here, link bar, atalacademy.aict-india.org/login, and you have to log in with your credentials. Once you log in with your credentials, so this is the main screen, which comes to you as a participant. So in the left panel, you can see different options. Are you able to see, Prem sir? So in the left panel, yes. Yeah. So there are different options. Yes. So once you click on this attendance, you will be able to see the attendance which is uploaded from our end. Okay, so you have to click on the workshop which you have attended, and then you can view the attendance which has been uploaded. So it will be something like this. Okay, then you have to click on this feedback link, and you have to now that link is not available at my end, okay, because I have already submitted the feedback for that FDP which I had attended. So once you click on this feedback section, there will be an active link, and you will be able to click on that and go ahead with the feedback submission. And then test marks, similar to attendance. Now this is from our part, so you will be able to see the test marks once we upload from our end. So it will be similar to like this, which is visible here. Okay, so this was my test marks in one of my FDP. And then once all these things are done, so the certificate will be available from the Atal server itself. Okay, so automatically it will get generated. You have to click on this certificate. If you are able to see my cursor, you will have to click on this certificate, and the workshop for which you have applied, if you click on this printer symbol, so just see the certificate downloaded successfully. So you will be able to download the certificate. So anything else?
That's it. Thank you. That's all.
Yes.
Sir, I have posted this Atal login link in our chat box as well as WhatsApp group.
Okay, so we'll be mailing you. Okay, we'll be sending you the feedback link and the quiz link on email as well as the WhatsApp group.